How to add a picture behind text in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Microsoft Excel. Open the sheet in which you want to include picture. Go to Insert from the ribbon and go to Shape. I'm simply choosing rectangle here and draw it over the text in which you want to include the image in background. Right click on it and go to Format. In Fill section, choose Picture or Text or Fill. Choose the image. Simply click on Browse and choose the picture. After that, reduce the transparency. You can see the option of transparency at the bottom. So as you can see, the picture has been inserted behind the text. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.